Welcome to Let's Coach. Everyone can coach freely. Here are the different domains of Let's Coach: life and executive coaching, team coaching, strategic coaching. Select the domain you desire. Select the subdomain. Then select the coaching module. Decide on an accountability partner or a coach who helps you stay on track to achieve what you want. Take the assessment for selected modules to identify your priorities and gaps. Begin the coaching session. Type in your answers. Refer to the suggestions only if you wish. Set your goals and scorecard. Work out your action plans and commitment with timeline, status, and updates. You, your accountability partner or coach, will receive an email of your answers, goals, and action plans. All your coaching information is stored in your device and emailed to you and your accountability partner. Your confidential information is not kept by ITD World. You will be part of Let's Coach global movement and receive ongoing updates, success stories, videos, and content to stay empowered and grow continuously. You will be part of the global network of Let's Coach LinkedIn and Facebook groups. There are 3 main ways you can use Let's Coach. We recommend you use this app with an accountability partner or a coach. You can use Let's Coach to coach others and develop yourself as a coach. You can use this app to coach and develop yourself. Now you have the power in your hands to create the life you want. Coach the world, make it a better place. Let's go, let's coach. Everyone can coach freely.